The striking shift this week is that AI systems are becoming useful without being handed the answer. Atomic models improve 3D structures from physical and spectral signals alone, while EMBL turns live-life science literature into compact, citable evidence. Work from MIT and Harvard adds a surprising boundary condition. Broad classes of quantum thermal states remain computationally tractable, without the quantum advantage many expected. Together, these results point to a deeper trend replacing labels, brute force search, and opaque retrieval with structure, constraints, and verification. We'll see what that means for materials, research agents, and quantum simulation. Let's explore the first paper. APO Unsupervised Atomic Policy Optimization for 3D Structure Prediction of Atomic Systems. APO, or Atomic Policy Optimization, replaces FLOW-DPO's dependence on ground truth 3D coordinates with fully unsupervised alignment for crystal and antibody structure prediction. It adapts group relative policy optimization, a strategy used in DeepSeek math, to flow matching models by sampling candidate structures in groups and updating the policy from relative rewards. Its dual reward combines a spectral consistency score, computed through eigendecomposition of candidate embedding similarities to identify dominant structural modes, with a crystal entropy proxy that penalizes disordered packing, atomic clashes, and thermodynamically implausible geometries. Across Perov, 5, MP20, MPTS, 5.2, and SABDAB, APO, improves both structural fidelity and match rates without labels during alignment. On MP20 with an OT plus VE path, APO reaches a 63.05% match rate versus 62.47% for supervised flow DPO. On the harder MPTS, 5.2 benchmark, it achieves 21.14% versus 20.27%. For antibody CDR, H3 prediction using an OT path, APO lowers Kalfa RMSD to 3.21 OA from flow DPO's 3.32 OA. An ablation shows that removing spectral consistency reduces match rate by 2.23%, while removing entropy worsens geometric accuracy, supporting the complementary roles of global manifold consensus and local physical regularity. The authors also report that APO straightens flow trajectories, particularly for optimal transport paths, potentially reducing inference difficulty, although its group-based sampling increases training cost and its entropy proxy does not model detailed electronic interactions. Let's explore the second paper, EMBL AI Librarian Life Sciences Knowledge Layer for AI Agents. Researchers at EMBL Rome and EMBL EBI introduce EMBL AI Librarian, a model-agnostic knowledge layer that turns natural language questions into compact, citable evidence from Europe, PMC, rather than returning whole papers. A single GLM5 controller generates complementary keyword and fielded subqueries, validates them, searches the live Europe PMC index, ranks paragraphs with BM25, and uses an LLM to filter, re-rank, and extract supporting sentences. The evaluation used 7 subqueries, up to 50 records per query, and 16 full-text paragraphs per paper. On Scholar QA Bench, a GLM5 synthesis agent reached citation F, 1 of 73.8, with Librarian versus 67, using BM25 over the Open Scholar data store. In Proclaim Eval, replacing the original PubMed and Semantic Scholar Retriever with Librarian raised agreement from 0.75 to 0.8. The claim verification agents used Anthropic's Claude Sonnet 4.6. On the 91-question open form LitQA2 subset, an OpenAI GPT-5 4 agent achieved 78.9 accuracy with Librarian, compared with 70.3 using web search. For LAB Bench, GPT-5 4 macro accuracy increased from 50.5 to 54.6, with CQA accuracy rising from 52.5 to 63.8. The system runs GLM5 on an NVIDIA DGX B200 and avoids maintaining a costly dense embedding index, while remaining inspectable through its Europe PMC queries and source metadata. Its limitations include single round retrieval and no direct support for figures, tables, or supplementary material. Let's explore the third paper, When Quantum Thermal States Look Classical. Harold Putterman, Alexander Zlokopa of MIT, and Jordan Kotler of Harvard University show that quantum Gibbs states can remain classically tractable across several distinct finite temperature regimes. Even for long-range Pauli Hamiltonians, whose terms act on at most k qubits and have total incident strength at most s, their hierarchy begins with separability. The Gibbs state is guaranteed unentangled for inverse temperature, beta is less than or equal to 1, 72 sk, and this theta 1 threshold is tight, including for commuting Hamiltonians. A randomized polynomial time algorithm prepares the state as a mixture of pure product stabilizer states up to beta is less than or equal to 1, 4096 ESK, ruling out the proposed superpolynomial quantum advantage in this regime. For Hamiltonians epsilon close to commuting, stabilizerness persists to the parametrically colder scale theta log 1, epsilon, separating the disappearance of entanglement from the disappearance of magic. Independently, a cluster expansion based on Pauli-specific polymer counting establishes a zero-free partition function disk of radius theta 1 s square root k. Within it, local thermal expectations and log z are estimable in randomized polynomial time, and geometrically local systems exhibit exponential correlation decay. The proofs combine Kotecki-Price cluster expansions, interaction picture Dyson expansions, adaptive pinning, and important sampling of polymers. The paper also acknowledges that ChatGPT Pro contributed to technical appendices and proof development, while the authors retained responsibility for correctness. That's a wrap on today's AI paper highlights. Thanks for watching.